Hello, welcome at Ferric Machinery. We are a metal fabricating machinery distributor in Cambridge, Ontario. We sell from the basic ironworker to the full CNC laser combo punch and profile laser cutting machines. Today we're going to talk a bit about choosing a machine for your needs. The market is flooded with all kinds of equipment from all over the world, and we are here to help you choose what suits your needs. We have basically two types of lasers. Flatbed lasers, which cut sheet metal from like light gauge, 26 gauge up to 1.5 inches, 2 inches thick material. And we have the profile or tube laser, which can cut closed tubes, but also open profiles such as C-channel, T-beams, H-beams, and etc. Flatbed lasers usually are high power machines because the material on flat sheet goes much thicker than on tubing. For example, you can buy these days flatbed lasers up to 60 kilowatt, which are capable of cutting 3-inch thick material. For the tube lasers, we're going maximum 20 kilowatt because of the bevel cutting of the material. Most of the I-beams don't go more than 5/8 and 3/4 thickness, which limited the laser power that is needed to do the job. Depending on your cutting needs, we offer different types of machines. We have from the standard dual pallet changer machines, high volume, where the machine is cutting every minute of the day, to the basic machine for the small shop that's cutting their own production and have enough with one pallet changer in the machine and take the time to unload and reload the machine, which is very economical and cheaper to buy. Price is not the only thing to consider when buying a machine. You have also to check who's gonna service the machine, because machines break. At Ferric Machinery, we have a full service department and we stock parts on site, so we can supply the customer with their immediate needs for service when needed. When you're in the market for a laser, please give us a call. We have a sales staff that can help you choose the right machine for your needs. If you are looking for more information, please download our laser cutting buyer's guide.